Look closely at the modern landscape. We live in a world of unprecedented comfort. We have engineered away hunger, cold, and physical struggle. Yet, beneath the surface of our high-tech convenience, a quiet crisis is unfolding. We are the most comfortable captives in history. In zoology, there is a term for the psychological deterioration of animals kept in captivity: zoochosis. Deprived of their natural habitat, they pace, sway, and self-harm. They develop repetitive, meaningless behaviors to cope with the cage. Now look at us. We walk on motorized belts, stare at screens in climate-controlled boxes, and repeat isolated muscle movements on metal machines. We are suffering from zoo-human syndrome, but this is not what we were built for. For 99% of human history, movement was not a chore to be scheduled. It was survival. Our ancestors did not work out. They gathered, climbed, carried, crawled, and ran. Their bodies were versatile masterpieces, sculpted by the diverse demands of a living, unpredictable world. To be human was to be an adaptable mover. We were built to run ultramarathons in the heat, to carry heavy loads over mountains, to climb trees for fruit, and to squat deeply around a campfire. Movement was our primary language, and our health was a direct byproduct of our interaction with the earth. As civilization dawned, movement shifted from pure survival to the cultivation of the soul. In ancient Greece, the gymnasium was not a place to burn calories, but a temple of self-mastery. The Greeks believed that physical decay was a civic failure. To them, a beautiful mind could only reside in a fully realized, capable body. In Sparta, this philosophy was forged in fire. Through the agoge, movement became a tool of ultimate resilience. Spartan training was not about vanity. It was about functional capacity, endurance, and collective strength. They trained to withstand pain, to adapt to any terrain, and to move as one unbreakable unit. At the ancient Olympics, movement was celebrated as the ultimate expression of human potential. It was a sacred truce, where nations paused their wars to honor the gods through the physical perfection of the athlete. Movement was a bridge between the human and the divine. But then the world changed. In a biological blink of an eye, we built a world that no longer required us to move. We traded the savanna for the desk, the mountain trail for the highway, and physical capability for digital convenience. We engineered movement out of our lives. The result? The zoo-human syndrome. We suffer from chronic back pain, stiff joints, metabolic disease, and anxiety. Our bodies are physically deteriorating because we are trying to survive in a habitat we were never designed for. We have domesticated ourselves, and our health is paying the price. But the cage is not locked. The blueprint of the hunter-gatherer, the grace of the Greek athlete, the resilience of the Spartan, it is still written in your DNA. To heal, we do not need more exercise machines. We need to reclaim our natural movement. We need to step off the paved path. Movement health is not about aesthetics or burning calories. It is about freedom. It is about reclaiming the ability to play, to explore, and to adapt. When we crawl, climb, carry, and move in nature, we are not just exercising, we are waking up our dormant biology. We are reclaiming our birthright. You are not meant to live in a cage. Your body is a vessel of infinite capability. Step outside, touch the earth, move, explore, and be free.